Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I want to quickly show us the fastest way or the best way to find what percentage of $40 is $24. Okay, now this is what we'll do. Since we don't know the percentage of $40 that gives $24, we say X, right? So I will say X percent of $40 is $24. Okay, then I'm going to write this mathematically. All right, what is X percent? Okay, that is X over 100. What is off? Off is multiplication, then $40 is, that is equals to 24. Okay, so 0 cancels 0, then we have X times 4. This gives us 4X over 10 equals to 24. All right, from here I can cross multiply. All right, so I will cross multiply here. So I have 4x equals to 24 times 10, which will give us 240. Okay, that gives 240. Then divide both sides by 4. So I have 240 divided by 4, and that gives me 60. All right, 4 here is 6, then 0. That means that 60% of $40 is $24. Right, this is the easiest way to do that. Let me give us something very similar. Let's try this. What percent of $82 is $16? Right, so let's try that and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.